Good morning. Today's going to be an interesting one. So I recently did a video on two panels with a micro inverter that I just leant up against the side of the garage at my mum's. That was really to give you an idea of what's possible and how quick you can set these systems up. They are really straightforward, quite basic. I've now modified that, which I'll show you an update video of shortly. But today is going to be really interesting. So I'm heading off now to a friend of mine who, on my recommendation, bought the 4-panel kit for about 760 euros, something like that. So it's actually cheaper to buy the 4-panel kit, and with that you get 2 inverters and the same thing applies. So he's built his own mount, which is actually going to be a log store or a compost heap, I don't know, one of the two. Let's see what he's done, and I'm going to wire it up because he's not confident with electrics. The only thing I will say about this, unfortunately, it's going to be wired into a really old English wiring in France installation. Yes, they still do exist. There's not much I can do about it. Anyway, let's have a look. I'll catch you up at the end. This is the panels he's made for a log store. What a brilliant installation. I mean, really solid, really sturdy. Looks great. He's just left it as panels. The cables are just at the back, all coiled up as they come out of the box. So I think what we're going to do on the next bit here is put the inverters just roughly in place, connect these cables in. That's the T for the mains out, and it goes across and tees into the other inverter, and then that open-ended socket there plugs into a cable which goes into a 16 amp socket. You can see we've now screwed the inverters to the cross beam at the bottom, so we're just starting to tidy up all the cables. I've put in this conduit which runs across a wire that's suspended between the two buildings, comes inside, runs across the workshop wall at the top, and then down the wall and down into this, which is a UK well, I'll tell you what, it was just what's there, and there's not much I can do about that, so I'm going to use that for the solar, and he's going to change it later. Anyway, going back to the solar panels, you can see I've put the little 16 amp socket there. It's coiled up into that cable, which then goes to the first inverter, and then that then goes on to the second inverter, which we've now started to clip the cables nice and tightly to the wood. Keep them all out of the way, out of the whatever he's going to put in there. He's going to put mesh underneath there, by the way. So here we go. We've got the sun at a massive angle there. Really is at an angle. It's 4 o'clock. No, was it 3:30? 680 watts times by 2, and that's what you've got finally. So the next thing we're going to check is the linky meter to make sure it's exporting. And you can see on the linky meter that we're taking no electricity from the grid whatsoever to run the house. There you go. How cool was that? Didn't take long to set up. All you need is a dedicated 16 amp socket, which we had. Yes, I know it's connected to that really 1960s fuse board, but it's going to be changed. Don't worry, but it's nothing to do with me. Anyway, for the money, you can't beat it. So at the time we looked at that, the sun was way off to the side, not the optimal time, and the figure you saw of 680 watts or whatever, you've got to double that because you can only connect to one inverter at the time. But I will do a video on how you can see multiple inverters and see what the production is. But anyway, so that meant that even like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, he's still getting 1200 watts from a 2000 watt system. That's really good efficiency. I bet in the middle of the day or when it's bang on there, you're not far off 2000 watts. So stick around. The next video is going to be a video of my system here, which is a lot bigger, 18 panels on the roof, and you'll really see the difference between these plug-in kits and a professionally installed one. So hang around and I'll see you on the next one.